A very big hello to all my wonderful children. How are you all? I know you are very well and enjoying our learning sessions. I am your Prerna ma'am. Now come on, give me a big smile. Wow, very nice. Children, we have learned backward numbers 40 to 0 yesterday. Today let's revise them once again. Let's revise backward numbers 40 to 0 with spinning wheels. 4 0 40. Now next number is 3 9 39. Then 3 8 38. 3 7 37. 3 6 36. 3 5 35. 3 4 34. 3 3 33. 3 2 32. 3 1 31. Now what will come? 3 0 30. Now which number will come next? It's 2 9 29. Then 2 8 28. 2 7 27. 2 6 26. 2 5 25. 2 4 24. 2 3 23. 2 2 22. 2 1 21. And then 2 0 20. Now which number will come after 20? 1 9 19. Then 1 8 18. 1 7 17. 1 6 16. 1 5 15. 1 4 14. 1 3 13. 1 2 12. 1 1 11. And then 1 0 10. Then number 9. Now our single digit numbers start. They will come under ones. Next is 8. Then 7. Then 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. Let's write backward numbers 40 to 0 in the notebook. Today's date is 1/6/16.7.2020. Now we have to write the heading. For writing heading, we have to leave 2 finger space and then write capital B. Rest of the letters are small. A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward. Now we have to leave 1 finger space and write capital N, U, M B E R S, backward numbers. And here we have to write 4040 dash 0. Now we have to leave one line and write TO 4 times. TO dot TO dot TO dot TO. First number is 4040. Now the next number in backward numbers is 3939. Whenever we are writing, we have to see that our numbers should touch the bottom line. 3838. 3737. 3636. 3535. 3434. 3333. 3232. 3131. Now we will write 30 in our next line. 3030. Then 2929. 2828. 2727. 2626. 2525. 2424. 2323. 2222. 121. Now 20 in next line. 2020. 1919. 1818. 1717. 1616. 1515. 1414. 1313. 1212. 11. Now 10 in next line. 1 0 10. See, 10 comes under TO. This is the line of tens and this is ones. 1 comes under T and 0 comes under O. But our single numbers comes under O, under ones. So we have to write 9 under O. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Children, you have to write backward numbers 40 to 0 like this in your notebook. Let's do an activity of backward numbers. In this activity, we have to place the ducks in the pond in backward numbers. First number is 4040. Now what will come in backward numbers? Next number is 3939. Then 3838. Then 3737. Now which number will come next? 3636. Then 3535. Now which is the next number? Yes, 3434. And the next number is 3333. After 33, which number will come? 3232. Then 3131. After 31, which number will come in backward numbers? 3030. Then 2929. After that 2828. Then 2727. Next number is 2626. Here we have 2626. Then 2525. Now tell me which number will come next? Yes, 2424. Then 2323. Now next number is, yes, 2222. Then 2121. Now next number is, yes, 2020. Then 1919. And then our next number is, oh yes, it's 1818. Then 1717. After 17, what will come? Yes, 1616. Then 1515. 1414. 1313. Now 1212. And then 1111. Now which number will come? Tell me fast. Yes, it is 1010. Then the next number in backward numbers, 9. After 9, 8. Then 7. Then 6. Then 5. Then 4. After that 3. Then 2. Then 1. And our last number 0. Wow! How beautiful ducks are looking in the pond, isn't it? Hope you liked today's session. Keep smiling and spread happiness. See you soon. Bye-bye.